guys, welcome back to Lymphalations. This is Jovita here, and today's video is going to be another collective haul video. So my last collective haul that I put up like last month or something was liked by a lot of you, and it's like the highest viewed video on my channel. So I'm assuming many of you like watching haul videos. So that's why I have another collective haul, and I purchased a few things because I was going to Goa. If you haven't watched my Goa vlog yet, then I'll be leaving the link in the description and also link it right here. So if you guys want to know what all I've got, then please keep watching. So I'll be first showing you guys the clothes that I got, and after that the accessories and shoes. The first thing that I got is this plaid shirt. These shirts are quite in nowadays, and I had like only one pair of it, so I saw this one and I liked it. So along with that I got another white one. So I usually buy like dark colors, and I saw this one, so I was like, let me get a different color. And excuse my wrinkly shirt because I just got it washed. I didn't get time to iron it, so that's why it's a bit wrinkly. And the last top that I got from there was this off-shoulder top. So it's very pretty, I really like it, and it's got these long sleeves, like 3/4 sleeves, and it's again a white one because I usually don't pick up white shirts or tops, so I thought I should pick this one up. So I bought these three from the same guy, and I got all the three tops for 900, that is 300 each. After that I wanted some PJs, so I got this Minion printed PJ, and it's super cute and I love the color combination. It's so bright and vibrant, so I really like this one. So I got this. So along with that I got these SpongeBob shorts, and they're so cute, and the color again attracted me, so that's why I got these two. The Minion PJs were for 150 and the SpongeBob shorts was for 100. So I got these, and these are the only clothes that I got from Colaba Causeway. And now I'll be showing you all what I got from Forever 21. So the first thing that I got was this t-shirt, and I still haven't removed the price tag from it. It's like a basic black t-shirt, and it has I can't even printed on it, and that's the reason I got it. And this t-shirt was for 1119 rupees. So this was the first thing that I got, and the next thing is this plain white camisole. So I wanted a white one, and this plain white one was for 179. The next thing that I got is this very pretty white top, and I don't remember how much this was for because I cut off the price tag, but if I find the price online somewhere, I'll link it in the description box below. So this is the plain white top that I got, and it has this V-cut deep neck in the front. Back as well is very pretty, so I liked it. So the next thing that I got is something that I probably won't use anywhere outside, but it was too cute to not get it. So it's this crop top which says yes, and it's so cute, and obviously I had to get it because yes. And I won't be wearing this anywhere out because I'll look like Winnie the Pooh with this crop top, but yeah, I really liked it. 1049 rupees. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Like you can see, everything is basically black or white. Like I don't pick up colors that way, but I tried picking up more white this time. And the next thing that I got is this very pretty off-shoulder top, and it's like netted, and it has this see-through material. So I really liked it, and off-shoulder tops are so in nowadays, so I had to pick up this one, and it's so cute and it looks so boho. So I really like this one. So this one as well, I have cut off the price tag, so I don't know how much this was for, but I'll find it and I'll link it in the description box below. The next thing that I got, I'm so excited for this purchase because I really love it. And this is like a bandeau slash crop top. So this is what it looks like, and I love the colors, and it's so pretty, and I could wear this under the off-shoulder top that I just showed y'all because it's like a see-through netted pattern, and this would look so nice under it. So this bandeau is like also a crop top for some people who can wear it. I would use it like a bandeau because yeah and this thing is actually pretty long. It's not that short, comes up to your waist, so if people are comfortable they can also wear this as a crop top. So that's what I liked about this, and I saw so many other girls pick up this bandeau. And then I picked up like two dresses because I was going to Goa, so I thought I need to have like two nice airy dresses. So I picked up like one nice black one which had like nice white prints on it, and another one was like a light blue with white prints on it again, and it was off shoulder. And you know those dresses which you go and buy from like stores, and then when you come back home and try it on and you're like, why did I even get this? So those were the dresses. Like when I came back, when I tried it on there, it was a bit loose, but it looked pretty okay. And then when I came home and I tried it, I was like, why did I get this? Like I could fit in 2 more people with me in that dress. It was that loose for me. So I thought might as well go and exchange and get something in return instead of just keeping it and not using it in the future. So then I went and exchanged it and I got this beautiful top, and I love this top because the color just is too good. And this was the top that I got, and this is this jade colored top, and I don't have anything like this, and this is like the first top that I have of this color, so that's why I got this. It's too pretty, and the back is like this. I got this dress in exchange of those 2 dresses, and it's very pretty and it fits really well and it's perfect for the summer. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see the full thing. It has like 2 straps, and then this is the dress, and the back is what is very different. So this is what the back looks like. So this strap is like elastic, so it will fit really well, and then you can like tie up this part. This was all the clothes that I got from Forever 21, and then I went to Zara because I had to get a gift for my friend's birthday, and then I ended up getting 2 things for myself. So the first thing is this top that I'm wearing here. So it's like a nice casual t-shirt with these shoulder holes in them, and like you can see it's pretty cute and I liked it, so I got this. So this was for how much? It was for 1,490. And the second thing that I got from Zara was a pair of jeans, which is like a super skinny fit jeans. So I haven't been wearing jeans for like the past 3 to 4 years. I've only been wearing jeggings or leggings, and I haven't even purchased a pair of jeans. This is the pair that I got. It's like a plain black skinny fit jeans. So these jeans are very stretchable and flexible. Like you can see, you can like actually like stretch them really well. It will fit you no matter what the shape of your body is. These jeans were for 1,990. So this was what I got from Zara, and now I'll be showing you all my accessories that I got. So the first necklace that I got was from Colaba Causeway, and these kind of necklaces are so in nowadays, and I had to get one like this. And there was like a gold color which I really didn't like because it was too bright and too in your face, so I picked up the silver one. And I got this for 200. I got this in exchange of those 2 dresses that I was telling you guys about. Chains that I got, like from a very small size to like really long ones. So they're like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in one pair, and this was for 539. And the next thing that I got are rings which I'm wearing right now. They were for 269. So those were all the accessories that I got. Now moving on to shoes, I got like 2 pairs from Forever 21 and 1 from Hill Road. So the ones from Hill Road are these golden sandals. So this is what they look like, and I got this for 200. And yeah, so this is how they look like, and they have like this strap behind, plus they have this cushioning inside, so it makes it really comfy. So this was the pair that I got from Hill Road. So the next pair of sandals that I got were from Forever 21. So this is what they look like, and it's like a silver pair, and I'll show you this one right now because this is like out of shape. So basically you can like buckle it on your ankle, and it comes up like this. So this is how it looks like. It's a very nice silver pair which you can also wear with a dressy outfit, or you can also use it for day-to-day use. The last pair of shoes that I got are these plain white sneakers, and I've been wanting plain white sneakers for a very long time, and I tried placing an order online, but the store didn't deliver it in time, and I really had a very bad experience, and I had to cancel my order. And the store was selling it for what, around 900 bucks, and I got this for 700 at Forever 21. So this was the last pair that I got, and it's a bit dirty right now, but I've been using it quite often, so excuse the dirtiness. But this was for 700, and the sandals I again don't remember because I took off the tag, but I think it was about 400 to 500, something in that range. And if I find the price online or the link online, I will leave it in the description box below, so you guys can go and check it out. So that was it for today's video, and that was all that I purchased. And if you guys liked watching all that I got, Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because I do make new videos every week. And also leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what kind of videos you guys would want to watch next, and I would love to make those videos for you guys. And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I'll be leaving the links in the description box below, and I'll also link it right there, so go and watch those videos as well. And that was it for today's video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.
We'll go.